Can a tiny folding kettle actually cook dinner? Today I'm unboxing and doing a first test of Adventuridge folding kettle and food warmer. 800 milliliters. Let's see what's in the box. First, look at the box. On the front, you see the kettle, and if you check side, you've got all the listed there. Everything is wrapped in paper. Here's the kettle. The upper pot body. Power cord. And this part is the lower body base. And the manual. You've got also the lid. The inside is stainless steel 304, so it's food safe. And the outer has this plastic shell which keeps it cool to touch and makes it lightweight. Before using the Adventuridge kettle for the first time, the manual says to give it a clean, so fill it with water up to the max line, that's 800 milliliters. Bring it to a boil, then throw that away. This just clears out any dust or residue from manufacturing. I love this feature. The handle folds out so you can hold it like a cup. The switch button. Press to the left for one eye, that's water boiling mode. It brings water to boil, then shuts off automatically. Press right 2i, that's warming mode for cooking. Quick safety note, don't run it empty, be careful of steam. And use both handles when lifting so you don't burn yourself. It also an auto safety cutoff if the water gets low. Here's the cord. It plugs in under the silicone cover to keep it water resistant. And it runs on 220 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. So standard UK mains. Quick note on the switch. On the 1i mode, it automatically turns the heat off, but the light stays on. It doesn't turn off, but if you lift the kettle from the base, the light goes off. So it's better to take it off from the base to be safe, or turn the switch to O. Because if you leave it, it will start boiling again once water cools down. And also always unplug before filling, and keep water between the minimum 500 milliliters and maximum 800 milliliters marks. So, final thoughts on the Adventuridge folding kettle and food warmer. It's compact, UKCA and CE certified, and it actually cooks noodles, oats, soup. This is great for travel, dorms, or camping. Would I take it on my next Adventuridge trip? 100% yes. Let me know in comments you'd cook in this, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you later. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Grateful, thankful, blessed always.